now here take a look, the entire journey of BPE of 21 years, how we started, where to stand, and what is the strength that we have built together with one family today. So we'll show you a small video which will show you what BPE is today and what is the focus to the next level that we would like to take to building a big brand, Make in India. Please play the video. India Private Limited, BPE, being an Indian local manufacturer aiming at achieving sustainable development goals and in promoting innovation, creativity, and sustainable work to boost the country's economy and stand in the global markets. Government Make in India initiative has been one of the most significant structure. The call for local by government is going to boost the ambitious Make in India. Over the 2 decades, BPE has become one of the leading Indian companies engaged in providing end-to-end strategic power solutions for most critical applications, including medical, retail, banking, data center, and process manufacturing industries. BPE provides a complete suite of power management solutions, including uninterruptible power supplies from 600 VA to 1000 kVA, customized smart track solutions, and solar inverters. BPE adopts all kinds of technologies, also modular hot swappable technology from 6 kVA to 1000 kVA, parallel to go up to 8 MVA UPS, and modularized smart track-based data center solutions. BPE also have UPS with lithium battery solutions and energy storage ESS solutions for megawatt energy storage. BPE has 20,000 square feet of manufacturing facility in Noida and Greater Noida. It has in-house strong R&D and technical teams working with a vision of growing business revenue to 500 crores in the coming few years. With a dedicated team, BPE offers a unique combination of best-in-class after-sales service and 24/7 customer support. All service is mobile app-based and end-to-end tracking system. All BPE products are having international certification, demonstrates BPE commitment to quality and safety.
BPE has full range of product line. We have commitment on our product reliability, quality, and values. They help us to make our customers very happy and satisfied.
Various certifications include CE, ROHS, ISO 9001, and conforms to various EN standards.
Since BPE make PS series modular hot swappable UPS 180 kVA 180 kilowatt.
BPE with the highest level of energy efficiency, more than 95%. BPE focused on green UPS design, energy saving technology. BPE has strategically expanded by providing power solutions for market segments in IT, industrial, healthcare, telecom, education, data centers, banking, and financial institutions. Here are few large projects BPE deployed. Over the period, BPE expanded footprints in global markets like Singapore, Philippines, UAE, Turkey, Malaysia, and many African countries. Employees are always a strength to BPE.
BPE is for me a family.
Flexibility and safety.
BPE is like more than a family for me.
It has been a very good combination of work-life balance, and it has been a family-like environment.
Taking power industry forward. BPE long-term goal are in the form of increased operational efficiency, quality and flexible processes, encouraging customers to use the made in India products only. BPE undertake the skill enhancement programs to make the employees future ready. BPE Make in India focus is to contribute to Make in India a vibrant manufacturing economy on the global map.
Thank you so much, everybody, for what it's really, seems exciting. And I would say, building a journey of 21 years, it's something which start with a small dream, and now it's a big dream with a big family today. So that's what here we are today. So now let me call the man behind this show, Mr. Amitanshu Satpathy, Managing Director, Best Power Equipments.
Actually, I should start. The man behind, it's not me, it is all our partners. We always believe in partners. We want to grow with partners. And this is the partners who has make us to this here. I remember I have been seeing a lot of my early days partners who are already with us. They have given a lot of encouragement, like Pavanji, PSPL, and Park, Ajayji, Mr. and so many people like Unilab, Baroraji. All those people are associated with us from last 15, 16 years, and we are growing with them. So the statement need to be changed that all the success, whatever we have reached, it is all because of our partners and their effort. Before I start, I would like to ask, what are the biggest opportunities and challenges you all have experienced during pandemic? I must say, every chapter of pandemic, we learn the importance of collaboration, innovation, and thinking out of the box so that we can work harder and even go beyond whatever we are thinking. I remember a lot of UPSs has been delivered to hospitals, medical equipments. It is all happened because all our partners were keeping a lot of stocks, and reaching to those hospitals were only possible because of the near area where we have been present. It is all happened because we have all across country partners who have helped us, because in lockdown, communication was a big issue. But in today, we are very proud to say that within every 50 to 100 kilometer, we have a partners, and we have partner who keep stock. So delivering was very, very easy. Why today? We have, during pandemic, when hospital and government was busy in like equipping hospitals and oxygen cylinders so that the things will get better, we have been, all our team are busy in delivering UPSs and making those equipments on total work. At the same time, backend team was developing factory where we have now proud honor of saying that we are almost 70% of our product is made in India. So today we have, as you've seen in the video, we have more than 20,000 square feet factory in Greater Noida, where we are manufacturing these higher kV UPSs. Let us not think BPE is only 1, 2, 3 kVA. So we are focusing more on three phase. Today I was just counting that from 20 kVA to 120 kVA, we have sold 1100 UPSs last year. How it can happen? These kind of numbers are mind-boggling because this number cannot achieve without the support of partner and their confidence. Today also we wanted to give a for our all the product line, three-phase technology, and what all we are and where all we are selling. Now we are in DRDO, DRDL, ONGC, you name a customer where we are not there. It is all because of our partners' effort and our delivery team who has all worked 24/7 to meet the deadlines. Delivery is always a key as far as BP's principle is concerned, and we have always meet the deadlines. And we, last but not today, we believe in teamwork. Team, what do you mean by that? Team is trust. E for empowering partner, A for assured quality, and M for management. So we believe in teamwork. And when I started, I just wanted to tell you the last few lines. When I wanted to do this event, some of the partner asked whether we are doing April Fool. I told no. Actually, we wanted to give a message that all the multinational people, companies were through convincing our valuable partners, CIOs, and giving those UPSs at a very high cost. The product which is available at X price, they're giving at 3X price. So we wanted to educate the people who are getting fooled by all these our competitor multinationals selling those products at a very high price. So the message is that we have to focus on made in India. Let us not got fooled. I'm giving an example. Like in 2 days before, I have just sold a UPS to Maldives airport, and the CIO of that Maldives airport was happens to be Indian, and he told me that I wanted to give you 15% lower than Snyder price. I just told okay. I was just thinking okay, it may be negative or something, and to my eyes, my prices were almost double. What I mean to say, when I can sell at $7,000 and still make 25% margin, I could sell at $14,000. That means the price of Snyder and Emerson, what they're selling in the international market and in India is much higher. So we wanted to give you a session here where we wanted to tell you we have all the technologies. Anybody can do any specification. We have UPSs with transformer, without transformer, rack mounted, modular, all kind of solutions. Yesterday, another thing I wanted to tell you, like one of the airport tender where the person, the key person wanted to have that, that I want to see personally before approving your brand, that whether your product can work, even we remove the control board. He personally came to our factory and he could see, and he has built up the confidence. So this kind of thing always tell, and that is the today's session. Thank you. Now I over to like Vivek Kapoor, who is our manufacturing and technical head, and he will start with. Before that, we'll just give a small. We have done in last 1 year of work, so that it will give you a what is our road and how we have inside got into a lot of industries and everywhere. So that will give you a lot of confidence. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, this is what the directions that Mr. Midanshu ji has shared, that we are a team, the trust, empowerment, assurance, and management. That is what we started from the beginning, that we are not a team that we work together. We are a team because we trust, we care, and we give that assurance of growth together. So let's have a look of this important video. I request all of you to watch this video because it shows, in spite of this last 2 years challenges, the roller coaster ride of COVID-19, but we as a team are able to achieve our one goal, one directions with one our team's dedications. So this shows the last financial year's achievements globally, domestically, where we have given the strength to the businesses through our product installations and through empowering the business worldwide. Play the video, please. CNG projects in Bihar, Jharkhand, MP, and southern region supplied 40 set of 2 into 5 kV UPS system. NHAI, we supplied multiple capacity up to 60 kVA to various toll tax collection points. BSNL Jharkhand, for their Wi-Fi projects, we supplied 70 number of multiple UPSs. Tata Advance, we supplied 10 kVA UPS with inbuilt isolation transformer at input side and 20 kVA backpunch UPS for Navy shelter. BPCL Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, we supply 2 kVA UPS with ATS and lithium-ion battery for all petrol pumps. Deputy Register Office Jammu, we supplied 5 kVA of 60 numbers of UPSs. Muthoot and Finance, we supplied 3 kVA to multiple number of UPSs to their multiple branches. Atmosphere Kanpur, we supplied 4 rack solutions. 810 Nextra supplied multiple UPS up to 80 kVA. PSIT Kanpur supplied 20 kVA modular UPS. Infrastructure segment. At Kolkata Airport for CNS, unit installed for radar communications 10 to 20 kVA multiple UPS. Eastern Coalfields, we supplied 4 numbers of 30 kVA three-phase UPS. SAIL Durgapur, we supplied 2 into 60 kVA modular UPS. BPCL Mumbai supplied 100 kVA UPS. IOCL Ahmedabad, we supplied 60 kVA UPS. Babu Atomic Research Center supplied 5 kVA to 20 kVA UPSs. RTSO Railway, we supplied 40 kVA UPS. NIC Kolkata, we supplied 250 kVA of 3 numbers, also 30 kVA of 30 numbers with CMS and SMS services. Multiplex and retail. And PVR Multiplex Pan India, we supplied 20 to 100 kVA UPS. Domino's, Dunkin's, KFC, Starbucks, Marks and Spencer's outlet, we supplied more than 800 number of UPS. Solar segment. GE Solar, we installed 40 kVA UPS. Our international business expansion saw us open new branch office in Indonesia. We also appointed distributors in Uganda, Tanzania, and Indonesia. Our service network reach has been increasing steadily year after year. We are present everywhere. Be it NHPC Puri in far north, HDFC Bank Andaman Nicobar Island, police stations at Lakshadweeps, and far southern account general office Trivandrum. Also, 1500 schools powering 1 kV UPSs at Arunachal Pradesh. We are currently supplying UPSs more than 10,000 locations for banks such as Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, IDBI Bank. BPE won the Times Business Icon Award 2021. We also received the SD Business Award. This year, BPE make a number of new developments such as IoT-enabled UPS systems, cloud and SMS, and CMS service enablement, including mobile app, energy storage solutions, 5K to 5 lithium battery-based UPSs, modular UPSs. We are growing together, learning together. We are thankful for consistent support all through the year. Thank you for being with us and enabling success in every possible way. So yes, thank you for being with us for enabling success in every possible way. With this, I would like to call Mr. Vivek to show us a very in-depth understanding more about our products and technical know-how. Mr. Vivek, over to you.
Thank you, Pinky. Good evening, all of you. Good evening, all of you. This is Vivek Kapoor. Today we will discuss about the BP products and also the installations. Come, also the installations and some of the case studies. So we will discuss the complete product range in detail. So we will start with the single phase UPS. So first of all, BP series line interactive 1:1 UPS is starting from 650 VA up to 2200 VA. So the available ratings are 650, 1000, 1200, 1500 and 2200 VA. So this is basically for the PC, workstations, printers, and servers. It's compact in size, built-in AVR and surge suppressor in this. Cold start function is there. Cold start function is basically the UPS is able to start on battery only without AC connection. Then we have optional USB card for auto shutdown software, overload and battery drain protection, LED status indicator, and the provision for 650 VA is a single battery and 1000 and 1500 VA with the two battery sets. Coming to the next series is the MP series. MP series is starting to 10 kVA. It's online double conversion with input power factor greater than 0.99, out 0.9, and wide input voltage range is there from 110 volt AC to 300 volt AC. And there is a provision of batteries also. We can put the batteries on the bottom of the UPS. Eco mode function is there. Flexible batteries for 6 kVA and 10 kVA. And adjustable charging current is also there from 1 ampere to 6 ampere. This is the video to give you some more idea about the product. Okay, now the PB series is starting from 5 kVA to 10 kVA. And it's also true online double conversion UPS available with SNMPRS 232 communication interface. Then next is the MF series, single in, single out for 1 kVA to 10 kVA and 3 in single out from 10 to 20 kVA. And we'll be having the video for this also. Okay, now P series, single in, single out from 1 kVA to 10 kVA and 3 in, single out from 10 to. Flexible batteries are there from 16 to 20 numbers. And this is the video. There is a provision of batteries, either batteries or transformer on the bottom, so we can place anything as per the customer's requirement. LCD is there with LED indications for all the alarms. Okay, then we will start the three-phase UPSs. First of all, transformer-less UPSs. So starting from GTP series, from 10 to 40 kVA, it's true online 3-level IGBT and inverter topology. Battery flexibility is there from 32 to 50 numbers, and this is the unity output power factor product. So kVA is equal to kilowatt, and this has got 10-inch color touch screen display also, and we can parallel up to 4 numbers. Then GTM series, which is 3 in, 3 out, starting from 60 kVA up to 90 kVA. This is also 0.9 output power factor with the unity output power factor optional. Battery flexibility from 32 to 40 numbers. We can parallel up to 4 more units. And it has got all the multiple communication like SNMP, Modbus and PFC. PFCs are the potential free contacts. Then GTB 200 kVA. So then coming to the GTC series, which is starting from 160 kVA to 250 kVA is for the higher segment. This has got the 3-level topology. Efficiency is up to 96%. Eco mode efficiency up to 99%. It has got very low voltage harmonic distortion, less than 1% for linear loads, less than 4% for non-linear loads. And we have a video for this. It has got all the 4 switches for input, output, bypass and manual bypass. Ports for parallel communication ports. Large LCD display. Then we'll start the transformer based UPSs. Achha. So we'll start with the CP series, 3 in, 3 out, starting from 5 kVA up to 20 kVA. So this is suitable for IT applications, available 5 kVA, 10 kVA, 15, 20 kVA ratings. This is true online double conversion design, IGBT based charger for smart battery charging, high charger capability for longer backups from 2 hours to 10 hours. And then we will have EPX Plus series starting from 20 kVA up to 400 kVA. This is most suitable for industrial applications. Advanced DSP and IGBT charger is there with high output power factor of 0.9. The MTBF of this UPS is very high, it's 2 lakh hours. And it has got 7-inch color touchscreen display with multiple communication SNMP RS232. Then UGX series starting from 30 kVA up to 90 kVA. And this is also online double conversion 3-level topology with output power factor 0.9. The available ratings are 30, 60 and 90 kVA. So this is a modular design and we can place the transformer in this, flexible batteries from 32 to 40 numbers. It has got all the communication ports, emergency power off switch, EPO on the system as well. Then we have GTX series, which is up to 300 kVA. And this has got very high input power factor greater than 0.99. Available ratings are 160 kVA, 200, 250 and 300 kVA. and the output power factor is 0.9. Flexible batteries are there from 48 to 52, 5.7 inch. Large screen display is there with all the information for the customer. Emergency power off switch is there. This is also suitable applications.
Thank you to Dance Shadow Group for this wonderful performance. So over to Vivek now for the details on the discussions ahead, the technical presentation.
So we are talking about GTX series, which is from 160 kVA to 300 kVA, and we seen this video. Now we have three-phase UPSs, megawatt solutions. This is basically for the bigger requirements. We have GTC H series starting from 300 kVA up to 500 kVA. So this is double conversion online 3 topology, and with the efficiency of 96%, which is the online double conversion efficiency. Eco mode efficiency is 99%. And there is a LCD graphic display, and it has also got a load-based fan speed. So the load is less. So with to increase the efficiency, because it will save the power. And this is suitable for regenerative kind of load. 4 switches are there, and we can go up to 4 megawatt by adding the multiple UPSs. Then we have GTC megawatt series up to 1000 kVA, and this series can go up to 8. So you can give a solution with this to 8 megawatts. Now we have modular UPSs suitable for the data centers and other applications of IT. Basically, we have 4 kind of modular UPSs in PS series: PS12, PS32, PS40, and PS50 series. PS12 series, it has got individual LCD on each module. Basically, the module is a UPS, and you can use every module as a standalone UPS also, because it has got amplifier and inverter inside this. And we have a 7-inch LCD on the frame also. And this is the USP of BPE. No other competition has this kind of modules with inbuilt LCDs. Then we have PS32 with 5 and 10 slots, and PS40 series with the 40 kVA power module starting from 16 kVA. And lastly, we have PS50 series with the power modules of 50 kVA, 50 kilowatt. All the modules are unity output power factor, so kVA is equal to kilowatt. So there is a video of PS12 series to give you inside idea about the product. Hot swap power modules. This is the video for PS40 series to give you an idea about the technical features. Very large color touchscreen display, 10.4 inches, with all the information for user. Hot swappable power modules, hot swappable controller, hot swappable STS. This is the basic idea about the product, a comparison table, PS12, PS32, PS40 and PS50 series. PS50 series is up to 1000 kVA per unit, and we can parallel up to 6 units, and we can go up to 6 megawatt. And the battery flexibility to 50 numbers, highest in the industry. Even one fan fails, still the module will work with 70% of the load. So internal redundancy is also there. It can save up to 16,384 event logs, which is again industry highest. And here is the power module. This is the flow of air. It's very lightweight, only 30 kg per power module, 3U height. This is the efficiency curve of this UPS. So you can see that efficiency is even greater than 95%, even at 25% load, which is a very lighter load. So you can save this much of electricity cost using this UPS in 10 years. There is a comparison. This is the green mode. Green mode is very useful for data center applications. Suppose your initial load is less, but you have more power modules, so you can enable the green mode from the LCD itself. So it will allow some of the modules to go into the sleep mode so that other modules can take more load and can work at the higher efficiency area. So it will increase your online efficiency. And once your load increases, the other modules will come automatically in picture. We can parallel up to 6 units. This is about the redundant controller. We have redundant controller here. If suppose we pull one controller, still the UPS will work, and any one of the controller fails, the UPS will still work. And there is a daisy chain also, so that you need not to take the shutdown for UPS for adding or removing any UPS from the site. This is the EHS mode, where one is the eco mode. Actually, there are two types of mode. One is the eco mode. In eco mode, the UPS works on the bypass mode, the 99%. And in EHS mode, there is a separate mode where your rectifier and inverter always work in sync with the load and mains power. If everything goes wrong, then it automatically shifts to online mode, and it will give you the very high efficiency of 98.4%. This is the touch screen color display of 10.4 inch. All the information is available on the LCD itself. Once you touch any one of the power module, you can get all the information about the power module also. Now we have introduced IoT enabled UPSs also. So this is about the IoT, like the UPS control panels and all the meters. We can add our IoT systems, and we can see that on the cloud, and we can access that with the help of mobile or laptop from anywhere across the world. So this is the login. where the username and password is required for this. Then we have mobile app also. So this is the map. So you can locate, you can connect any one of the UPS across the world using this map. And this is the UPS. This is white color is the IoT based device. So our all the UPS series is now enabled with IoT. This is the data which you will get, the input voltage, then the output voltage, output current, then the battery figures. Actually, some of the parameters are missing because of some LCD issue. So this is the battery percentage, 100%, then all the temperature, the usage of load and the power cuts, load added or decreased graphs. Now coming to IDU Smart Racks, which is our other product line. Here is the smart cabinet. Where the space for server is 30U. This is another one, bigger one, with the inbuilt air con from 7 to 25 kilowatts. And there is a provision of CRAC unit along with the server racks. This is the bigger one. Flexible configuration is there. CRAC unit plus power cabinet plus IT cabinets and plus CRAC again. This is the monitoring which we will see on the screen. The alarm information, the UPS load, cold aisle temperature, also the power consumption. Now we have another series is the energy storage systems, which is ESS. So this is our system Energy X 5000. This is basically 5 kVA, 5 kilowatt, and we can parallel up to 9 such units. So if we use 3 such units of single phase, we can make it, which is also one very interesting parameter. Efficiency of this UPS, online efficiency, if we talk about that, is 94%. Eco mode efficiency is 99%, which is very high. And it has got a very high inbuilt charger of 60 ampere. We can configure it from the LCD itself. It's a very big charger suitable for the lithium-ion battery applications, because lithium-ion batteries can be charged with 1C of the rating. So if we are using 60 of lithium-ion battery, so 60 ampere charger is required. And it can charge the battery within 2 hours completely. 1 hour for 70% charging, 2 hours complete charging. With respect to the VR relay batteries, which takes around 8 to 10 hours for complete charging. Manual bypass switch is there. In case of any issue, we can bypass the UPS system. All the Indian type of sockets are available there. There is a tray on the bottom of the UPS, so you can slide the UPS without any issue. And the rear panel is also screw-less. It is just pressed to fit. Very easy for the servicing point of view. We have also integrated our PS series UPS with Exicom lithium-ion batteries for higher ratings. Now, these are some of the installations and case study, like the BPCL. So to understand actually the challenge behind this was to understand the customer requirement, because we actually visited the BPCL outlets and we find that there were many issues like the poor ventilation, lack of space, dusty environment, and also the frequent power cuts. So we proposed a solution with the UPS and the lithium-ion battery. So we have already supplied around 700 systems to BPCL in this year, and many more are in the pipeline for the next year. So this is the specification, basically 2 UPSs in hot standby configuration with the redundancy of 1+1, with the inbuilt lithium-ion battery and automatic transfer switch for both the UPSs. IP32 enclosure to protect the overall system from environmental effects, Indian type shock gates, and also the 6-inch AC fan at the rear side for proper ventilation. So this is the system. Then next is the Delhi Safe City, the government project introduced by Ministry of Home Affairs with the name of Delhi Safe City. The high performance UPSs to be installed for real-time surveillance. As per the requirement, few technical issues were there, like the whole specification was very much demanding. So we worked on that and we provided the suitable solution and supplied the systems. Some of the challenges were like the shock gates. We have the standard Indian type shock gates, and they were asking for the different IC kind of C13 type of output shock gates. So we worked on that design, and also the Modbus was missing. They were actually requiring the Modbus protocol, so we provided that as well. Then we supplied around 17 systems to Medanta Medicity Hospital. Trolleys in medical sector used to carry the checkup equipment for patients. So they were buying this from the outside India, and that was very expensive. So we proposed them a solution with 1 kVA UPS, which was very much economical, and they liked our solution. And then they shifted from imported one to BPE brand. So this is the system which we provided to them with the 1 kVA UPS on the trolley. This actually project name was COW project, computer on wheels. So this was for 10 hours backup. Then Indian Oil Corporation, IOCL introduced new CNG gas stations across India, for which they need power solutions for the whole plant. As per the requirement, a customized UPS was required for their new CNG station. So we developed that product and provided to them. So this is the system with IP42 cabinet, and with the input at the with the transformer at the input output bypass, and also the SCVS at the bypass. So this is very demanding in nature because it's very difficult to meet the efficiency levels using so much of magnetics, but we provided it, and they have regular inspection from the third party like SGS, TUV, and this is a running project since last 1.5 years. Then we have Banes Dairy, Gujarat. As per the customer's requirement, 2 into 10 kVA UPS along with the separate LIB for 60 minutes backup was required. So we provided them 4 into 5 kVA UPSs instead of 2 into 10 kVA UPSs, because the DC bus voltage of 5 kVA UPS was 48 volt and the 10 kVA UPS was 192 volt. So because of this, because the 48 volt DC bus, the lithium ion battery requirement was lower, and we provided them very affordable solution. Then Net Company Limited, NIC. So a high specification tender of NICL won by us. As per the specification, modular UPS with hot swappable power modules, external isolation transformer, phase sequence corrector, and centralized monitoring system, CMS, to monitor 2000 UPSs of multiple brands at multiple locations all across the India. It was required. So we provided them a CMS in order to meet the requirement, and FAT confirmed by NIC got approved, and we supplied this successfully. It has been installed also. Then for a defense application in Delhi, the requirement was the modular UPS with the lithium ion batteries of 384 volt. So we provided this lithium ion battery along with our modular UPS, and it is also successfully installed and working since last 1 year. Then this is the Tabata Hospital, Tanzania. The system specification was EPX plus UPS along with the batteries. It also supplied on time and installed successfully and working. Then Bank of Uganda, Africa. So again, the modular UPSs along with the 120 numbers of 9H modular batteries. Supplied the modular batteries also, which you can see on the bottom of the module. So these are the modular batteries and 20 numbers each cabinet, 40, 40, 40. So total 120 numbers. This is about the Power Grid Corporation of India Limited approval. So PGCIL, being a reputed government organization, is very demanding and have their own specification and approved vendors. So we offered our UGX 60 kVA system with inbuilt isolation transformer, complete documentation submitted, and then they approved our product followed by an inspection. So this is the approval letter. So now we are PGCIL approved vendor for supplying of UPSs. This is about the DCD event, Mumbai, 25th November 2021. We also represented there our products. This is about the factory infrastructure development, which we have in the, we worked very much in this area. We developed the factory during the past 1 year. These are some of the pictures. These are some of the approvals from petroleum sectors like BPCL, IOCL, HPCL, and PGCIL. So we have received all the approval letters. This is some of the appreciation letters from customers. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Vivek. And let's again have one more, the blasting dance by the Shadow Dance Group. let's enjoy. Also, I would like to request, all of you. I'm sure that people are, enjoying the snacks outside, and so please just don't gather at one place. Make an atmosphere silently watching the presentations and the presenter over here. So require all of your cooperations. Those who would like to enjoy their dinners or snacks may can go outside silently, but let's make an healthier, environment. Thank you so much.
जाने जाने कैसे करती है झमझम पैर पैर दिन में बजते हैं ट्रम्पेट हो गया सनसेट सन गया नीचे होते ही रात आ गया मैं तेरे पीछे कमांडो का जाल तूने फेंका ना चलेगा जादू ना चलेगा काला पैसा डरता नहीं है यार तेरा डर से कोशिश तो करे एक बार प्यार से
5, 6, 7, 8
वे मतलब की बातों में क्या रखा है बदला दे कर ले थोड़ी प्यार मोहब्बत कुछ पल दो पल के वादे बेधड़कन दिल है मेरा छू के इसको धड़का दे थोड़ा सा चैन तू दे दे और थोड़ा सा तड़पा दे तेरी बाहें you know I need you बोले ये निगाहें you know I want you दुनिया को बुला के come and sing this song हरे हरे राम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम 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 हरे राम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम
Okay, by the time we set the IoT based system connection, you can have the question and answers. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will try to answer that. Any questions? So we can go to that particular slide and we can discuss about that. If you want to know something more about the feature or you have some query.
विवेक जी गुड इवनिंग
Hi, good evening.
UGX series जो बोले आप I believe that is a master version of GTM with the IT.
Yes.
तो वो
This is with inbuilt isolation transformer.
inbuilt isolation. So are you going to maintain the input power factor in that series?
Yes, power factor is 0.9.
Input.
Sorry.
Input power factor.
Input power factor is greater than 0.99 because this is IGBT based rectifier and 3-level topology and all the power factor corrected systems. So this is the input power factor is greater than 0.99. Output power factor is 0.9.
So it means that all the specifications are same of GTM plus IT, that is UGX.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions?
हेलो सर, नमस्ते।
हाय
सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आप जितने भी आप 5 किलोवाट के जो लो फ्रिक्वेंसी ऑनलाइन यूपीएस बनाते हो, उसमें आप आउटपुट और इनपुट का न्यूट्रल कॉमन क्यों करते हो? क्योंकि अगर आउटपुट और इनपुट का अगर न्यूट्रल कॉमन करते हैं तो वो आइसोलेशन नहीं रहता है, बट आप बोलते हो कि ये आइसोलेशन है।
देखिए, न्यूट्रल हमेशा कॉमन होता है। किसी भी अगर आप देखेंगे कंपनी का, तो आउटपुट न्यूट्रल और बैटरी का जो न्यूट्रल होता है, दैट इज ऑलवेज कॉमन।
नो सर, नो सर।
किसका है बताइए?
नो, माइक्रोटेक, न्यूमेरिक और कंसोल, एनी यूपीएस, जितने भी यूपीएस हैं उनमें मैंने कभी ये चीज नहीं देखी सिवाय आपके यूपीएस में।
आप कौन से वाले उसकी वजह से बात कर रहे हैं, पर्टिकुलर मॉडल की?
मैं आपके जो
पीबी सीरीज में। ओके। माइक्रोटेक का I don't have idea, but लेकिन इसमें न्यूट्रल कॉमन रखा जाता है।
क्यों रखा जाता है? आप इसका क्वेश्चन आप बताएं, क्यों आप क्यों ऐसा करते हो? ऐसा तो इन्वर्टर में होता है, क्योंकि इन्वर्टर का जो न्यूट्रल है वो कॉमन इसलिए किया जाता है कि उसकी जो लाइन है उसको केवल सिंगल लाइन चलाने के लिए डबल लाइन ना डालें, तभी ये चीज की जाती है। और आपके यूपीएस में अगर ऐसा कर दें तो भी सिंगल लाइन पे चल जाएगा पूरा।
देखिए, this is actually required as per the as per our design, because PCB needs neutral for that input and output side of
ये आपका सवाल सही नहीं है। आप या तो कोई टेक्निकल टीम से बात कराएं, या इसका सवाल मैं दे देता हूं आपको। हाँ राइट। ऐसा है कि आप इसलिए करते हो कि जहां क्या होता है कि जो भी कस्टमर होता है उसको ये नहीं मालूम कि हम न्यूट्रल और लाइन दोनों एक साथ चलाएं, ठीक है ना, तब ये करना होता है। दूसरा, हाँ, उसके यहाँ डेडिकेटेड अर्थिंग नहीं होती है, ठीक है ना सर। डेडिकेटेड अर्थिंग अगर जहां अगर हम को सेपरेट, जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा कि कोई भी ट्रांसफार्मर हम घर का जो आती है उस ट्रांसफार्मर, क्योंकि ट्रांसफार्मर डेल्टा वायरिंग होती है, उस हम जमीन से लेते हैं, अर्थ करा के लेते हैं, न्यूट्रल नहीं होता वो।
नहीं, डेल्टा मतलब न्यूट्रललेस, दिस
हाँ,
इज 3 वायर।
हाँ,
if you are using delta to y, so delta means no neutral।
हाँ, तो वो इसीलिए अगर डेडिकेटेड अर्थिंग नहीं होगी तब ये आउटपुट और इनपुट का न्यूट्रल कॉमन करेंगे। ओके,
वही, या dedicated earthing should be there because that is must for these kind of topology। या
Hello.
So basically, to answer your question, we have to use dedicated earthing for this system। Yeah.
Sir. Sir, I have been in touch. Hello. Sir, I have been in touch in one of the customer. Actually, he is having 100 kVA.
What is your name, please?
Anubhav Bajpayee.
Mr. Anubhav. Yeah, please tell me.
Sir, he is having 100 kVA EPX model. Suppose he is having 100 kVA EPX model with 150 or 100 AS 32 number batteries, and he is purchasing 160 kVA UPS also after that. So he wants to connect 60 kVA UPS with the same battery bank. Is it possible or not?
The same, you mean to say the UPS rating is same?
No, it's not the same.
It's not same.
First one is 100, second one is 60.
60
and he
kVA.
wants to connect both the UPS with the same battery bank.
But actually it's not advisable because of the different ratings. Okay. Yeah. So the load will be different and it will deliver the different discharge currents from the same unit because you are using the common battery.
But the same feature is applicable in APC UPS. How it is possible?
I need to check it in actually detail. Then please provide me the APC model number and everything. So we need to see. We can't. Yeah.
No, APC having only one model for 3 phase.
He's saying that 100 and 60 both are. Yeah. नहीं on होगा ना.
हेलो हाँ एक्चुअली वाजपेयी जी ऐसे था कि दोनों यूपीएस में से एक चार्जर तो आपको बंद करना पड़ेगा। हम कर सकते हैं, उसमें आपको कुछ ऐसे सिस्टम बना के सॉफ्टवेयर से 60 kVA या 100 kVA किसी का एक चार्जर बंद करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो दोनों चार्जर एक साथ चार्जिंग करेंगे ना बैटरी को।
तो हो सकता है ना?
हाँ हो, एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल, मैंने आपको बताया और हम लोग किया भी है। एक पुष्पांजलि हॉस्पिटल पे हमने 2 नंबर 100 kVA में एक सिंगल बैटरी बैंक दिया है और बहुत सारे जगह पे दिया है और डिफरेंट यूपीएस करना है वो भी पॉसिबल है। ओनली थिंग इज यू हैव टू स्टॉप वन द चार्जर।
अभी सर ने कहा कि वो रिकमेंडेड नहीं है, वो इट इज नॉट
रिकमेंडेड इसलिए नहीं है भाई, आप 100 kVA और 60 kVA को एक बैटरी बैंक पे लगा रहे हो तो आपकी रिलायबिलिटी, एक एग्जांपल हो बैटरी बैंक खराब हो गया आपका तो ना भाई,
बैटरी बैंक खराब हो गया इट्स अ डिफरेंट इशू, लेकिन यूपीएस को कनेक्ट करना रिकमेंडेड नहीं है। इसका
यूपीएस के लिए सेपरेट बैटरी बैंक रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक बैटरी बैंक खराब हो गया तो दोनों यूपीएस खराब हो जाएंगे, इसीलिए बोला जाता है। नहीं तो आपको चाहिए आप कर सकते हैं, और बहुत सारे लोग करते भी है।
सर बैटरी बैंक का डिफरेंट इशू है, एक्चुअली एपीसी ये वाले फीचर को लेके पिच कर रहा है
नहीं, हम भी, आप भी कर सकते हैं, हम आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन भी करा सकते हैं, और सॉफ्टवेयर से हम लोग ये पूरा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बहुत सारे जगह पे किया भी है। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Thank you. Any other questions? Hi.
सर मैं जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि अगर हम ऐसा कर दें, एक ब्लॉकिंग ब्लैक कर दें, मगर जब हमारे दोनों यूपीएस एक साथ बैटरी को डिस्चार्ज कर रहे हैं तो कितना हाई हो जाएगा? 60 केवीए प्लस 100 केवीए।
थोड़ा सा माइक पास।
सर मैं कह रहा था कि अगर कर दें, हम दोनों यूपीएस को बैंक से चला दें और पावर चली जाए, तो हमारा डिस्चार्ज करंट तो हाई हो जाएगा, और हमारे में बैटरीज हैं उसका तो सब ढक्कन वक्कन सेल
ये सब चीज को देख के ही किया जाएगा ना। डिस्चार्ज करंट जितना होगा उसी हिसाब से बैटरी होना चाहिए। जैसे आपका 3C बैटरी ज्यादा, मैक्सिमम 3C होता है, या जो SMA बैटरी है 2.5C है, उसी हिसाब से डिजाइन करना पड़ेगा। इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा था, खाली ऐसे बोल देने से नहीं होगा कि एक ही बैटरी बैंक से आप दोनों चला लीजिए। वो हमको देखना पड़ेगा बैटरी बैंक कैसे है, कितना उसमें मतलब कितना एच का बैटरी है, कितना केवी का यूपीएस लगा रहे हैं, दोनों यूपीएस में लोड कितना है, ये सब देखेंगे तो काम बन जाएगा।
हाँ, हाँ जी सुरेन जी, हो गया क्या?
Very simple question. Mr. Vivek, I want to understand, you show the full capacity and the models of the BPE series. I appreciate that. But if I want to understand, if I have to put 5 kVA APC UPS, which model is available against that, particularly from BPE? So there is any comparison chart model wise available?
Sure.
in your website?
Yes. We do have that. We can you the comparison chart with APC, also with Vertiv, Eaton. That sheet can
not
be
only
provided
with
to you.
the APC, GEM or Government of India, Make in India. We want to understand. Rest of my colleagues here want to understand what is the nearest competitor model wise, and we have to face the generally APC competition. So we have that type of comparison chart is available.
Yeah, that is available. We can share.
We are not putting it in website because we don't want to take the name of competitors. But if you want to ask those questions, sales people, they will you. About us is we have kind of model, like we have with transformer, without transformer. Like when we talk about APC, they only talk about without transformer. If somebody want with transformer, then they will give an external transformer.
Understand, sir? APC.
So it is simple for them. If you want to 5 kVA, they will give you one 5 kVA model to be choose. But we have 3 number 5 kVA to choose. But we have similar model, 100% similar model, and we have some extra feature also as compared to APC. Those can be given to you when you ask us.
Okay, sir.
It will be provided to you one-to-one. So this is the map view. So like we have installed our UP, so we can see it from here. And these are the parameters of which we are actually watching with the help of IoT only. So the input voltage, all the 3 phases, output voltage of all the 3 phases, output current, and the battery percentage. This is about the input voltage fluctuations during the past few days. We can also see the data of even last 1 year. This is output voltage that is constant, 230 volts. Battery voltage, battery temperature, cabinet temperature basically, and also the uses. So this is available live here. If you need more details, please come to this stall, and also you can see and you can have your questions for this. This is about the panel monitoring, on-off switch controls from IoT. So this is available live here. Thank you, Sunan. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I would like to call Mr. Sudeep Day for the thanks note. Sudeep. For thanks note. Yeah, I'm done.
Good evening to everybody. Vivek ji was clarity personified, and so he called my name twice and I could not hear because I was just viewing the screen. Thank you to all our partners who have taken time out to come here today, to our entire BP sales team, service team, the factory team, and everybody at the back end who has made the last year 21-22 a wonderful and fabulous year for all of us. We at BPE have always believed that if the partners grow in our business, we will grow automatically. We cannot grow as a brand if the partners don't grow. So our main mantra is make the partners grow so that as a team we grow. It gives me immense pleasure in thanking Vivek ji for putting up a superlative performance today in terms of much pain to explain each and every product that we have come out in the factory. 22 years. The journey has been splendid. We have seen the growth from 650 VA to where we are today. There have been times when our BOQ compliance team is so besieged with work that they do not get home before 12 in the night. So that's what we have earned over the years. We've voluminous business through the partners across the country, and that is where we pride ourselves in. Thank you once again. The bar is open. The dinner is. Thank you for